today for our meeting on how to become LEED for Homes certified. My name is Sabrina Richardson and I will be facilitating this meeting this evening. In front of you, you have a LEED for Home fact sheet. So I'm pretty much going to go through the fact sheet and you can follow along. First thing first, the acronym LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. LEED is a rating system used to evaluate the environmental responsibility and efficiency of buildings and neighborhoods. To achieve LEED certification, a project design, construction, maintenance, and ongoing operation must conform to strict rules defined by the U.S. Green Building Council, the USGBC. 4 levels of LEED certification are available, with certification levels awarded based on a point system. This document describes the process of acquiring LEED certification for a residential construction project. A separate document describes the process of acquiring commercial LEED certification, which is the document right up underneath this one. The minimum characteristics. Before you begin the process of applying for LEED for Home certification, you need to make sure your finished project will have the following required characteristics. It must meet local ordinances for dwelling, occupies a fixed location, complies with LEED size requirements, complies with local, state, and federal environmental laws. Note that LEED programs do not allow for partial certification. All subunits in a building, for example, condominiums and apartments, must be included in the certification application. For more information about the minimum required characteristics, please ask your project manager for a complete set of eligibility guidelines. The building types. Each building is considered a separate project. You can choose from the following registration options for your project or projects: single family attached, single family detached, multifamily, or batched for multiple projects that meet the following requirements. It must be built by one developer and located in one country. When registering your project as a multifamily project, you need to choose a multifamily low-rise building or a multifamily mid-rise building. The rating system. Since its inception, LEED has evolved to evaluate an increasing array of green building technologies. Today's program includes 9 rating systems for new and existing construction. They include LEED for new construction and LEED for neighborhood development. For residential certification, the LEED for Home rating system is the only option. Certification levels. A project can achieve up to 100 base points in categories such as site sustainability, water efficiency, energy efficiency, and design innovation. Projects that receive 40 to 49 points are considered LEED certified. Higher certifications are in order of difficulties as follows: silver certification, 50 to 59 points. Gold certification, 60 to 79 points. Platinum certification, 80 points and above.
You gotta do it again, man.
Other types of green certification programs are available. However, LEED is considered the most credible in part because the U.S. General Services Administration, the GSA, is required by law to reevaluate all LEED rating systems every 5 years. The GSA also oversees training and certification of LEED evaluators throughout the United States. How do you get started? The staff of Wilson and Page Architecture is ready to make your LEED dream a reality. Talk to your project manager about the best way to achieve the level of LEED certification appropriate for your project. that completes my presentation. Are there any questions? I'll open it up to the floor.